Today we are going to discuss case study Rallis India Limited. Case study number 656 Rallis India Limited. And if you want to listen to such a marketing case studies, you just kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel. Now, Rallis India Limited has been the leader of Indian agrochemical market with rupees 1430 crore business. Rallis India Limited has been the leader of Indian agrochemicals market with rupees 1430 crore rupees business. So Rallis India is into agrochemical business and it has got very good market uh, size of 1430 crore rupees or market value, or you can say the brand value of 1430 crore rupees, which is very big amount. Agrochemicals and fertilizers distribution generates 80% of the revenues of the company. So 80% of the products, 80% of the revenue is coming from agrochemicals and fertilizer. The company initiated a program to focus on first sharpening its business and product portfolio, which is very important. Improving cash management, that is also important. Introducing new products, so to survival and to give your customer new varieties, new variants, we need to introduce new products. Reducing cost throughout the value chain, so increase the profit, we have to reduce the cost throughout the value chain. Strengthening controls and business processes from procurement through manufacturing, logistic, marketing, sales and distribution. So strengthening control, to get hold of the control and business processes from procurement through manufacturing, logistics, marketing, sales and distribution. Greater focus on research and development, which is also very important. To launch new product, we should have research and good research and development team. Human reserves orientation. So until and unless your employee is motivated, no organization will go forward. The company's product range includes insecticide, fungicides, herbicides, intermediates. It is one of the largest Indian pesticide manufacturer with capacity about 18,000 tons per annum of technical grade pesticides and 40,000 tons of formulations per annum. So it is one of the largest Indian pesticides manufacturer with capacity of about 18,000 ton per annum of technical grade pesticides and 40,000 tons of formulation per annum. So they are preparing chemicals or fertilizers, agrochemicals and fertilizers in thousands of tons, which is very huge large scale operation. So they are preparing insecticide, fungicide, herbicide and intermediates. So these are the chemicals or the fertilizer which are supporting agricultural crop. The Indian market, the industry is currently going through a bad phase on account of factors like low pest pressure, favorable climatic condition, etc. However, the cotton crops account for 40 to 50% demand, while vegetable orchards and kharif crops have increased demand. Rallis India Limited has evolved a strategy based on the market research finding. What strategy they have developed? The philosophy is to create a brand and develop a relationship with every farmer. They want to create their brand, Rallis India, big brand in chemical industry, in agrochemical industry and fertilizers, fungicides, in that sector, in that industry, with very close relation with the farmer, with the name of Silent Revolution project. So the project they have initiated, given the name Silent Revolution, has been launched in South India to involve directly to the end users, the farmer, without making a noise. So they have to contact the farmer without making a noise. They don't want to come on the screen, they don't want to get highlighted, they don't want to be in the focus. So they have given the name Silently, keep silent and do your work properly. So this is Silent Revolution. Trained farmers promotional assistant is another project. Trained farmers promotional assistant is another project launched by Rallies India Limited. In this, we have to train the farmers and we have to provide them one assistant which focusing on promotion of Rallies products. So they will focus on promoting Rallies India products. Thus, 20 lakh farmers were contacted in 6 months by 700 TFPAs through per zonal contact, village meetings, and mandal meetings. So, 20 lakh farmers were contacted. So, 700 people are going, 700 employees are going, specially trained people are going to meet and visit 20 lakh farmers. So because of that, they have generated a huge customer base, huge network, and through which they can make a sell. 2.10 lakh rallies product demonstration were given. So more than 2.10 lakh demonstration were given. It led to rallies substantially increase their product sales and sustaining customers loyalty. So these many demonstration they are doing, these many farmers they are meeting, these many promotions they are doing, these many efforts they are taking. So uh, and their operations are also large, product is also good. So they have become very uh, big player in this industry. It led to rally substantially increase their product sales and sustaining customers loyalty. So sale has also increased, but simultaneously loyalty has also increased. They have not compromised on the quality. So questions here are: discuss the case and suggest the marketing plan for UP, Uttar Pradesh. Analyze the promotional scheme of Rallies India Limited and give policy imperative for other competitors. Analyze the promotional scheme, their promotional mix. You have to study of Rallies India Limited and give policy imperatives for other competitors. And for other competitors, you have to give advice. Examine the marketing mix of Rallies India. Marketing mix of Rallies India, promotional scheme of Rallies India and its competitor, and you have to prepare a marketing plan. So the answers to these questions we will see in the next video. Till then, thank you very much. Kindly like, share, and subscribe my videos.